Hi, I'm Elisa Neeson with Festivity, and today I'm going to show you how I buy a couple of very low-priced items and splurge on one or two of them to make a really high design impact on my Valentine's Day tree. So on this specific Valentine's Day tree, I've got a lot of super fun things. We've got a placemat. This is a yard stake. These are just, giant signs. Some people put them in wreaths. I think they're great fillers for trees. I've got a balloon. I've got, a couple of stuffies, all that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, including like this was a multi-pack of signs, but the entire tree of decorations cost me about $25. Then the one thing I did splurge on was the love sign from Target. I thought that gave the entire tree a super fun vibe, and that is where I splurged. Everything else, like I said, came from the Dollar Tree, and I thought gave a really great design impact when it all came together.